Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of Unit 6 My Childhood by APJ Abdul Kalam. First question is, read the following passages and select the most appropriate answers for the questions given below them. First para. Every child is born with some inherited characteristics into a specific socio-economic and an emotional environment and trained in certain ways by figures of authority. I inherited honesty and self-discipline from my father. From my mother, I inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness. And so did my three brothers and sisters. I had three close friends in my childhood: Ramanatha, Shastri, Arvindan, and Shiva Prakasan. All these boys were from Orthodox Hindu Brahmin families. As children, none of us ever felt any differences among ourselves because of our religious differences and upbringing. In fact, Ramanatha Shastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri, the highest priest of the Rameshwaram temple. Later, he took over the priesthood of the Rameshwaram temple from his father. Aravindan went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims, and Shiva Prakashan became a catering contractor for the Southern Railways. Questions. Number 1. Faith in goodness and deep kindness can be classified as dash qualities. Options: A. Social, B. Economic, C. Emotional, D. Rational. Answer is C. Emotional. Number 2. The meaning of the word orthodox is options: A. Religious, B. Conventional, C. Holy, D. Pure. Number 3. As children, Abdul and his friends never felt any differences among themselves because of options: A. Their different religions, B. Their different nurturing, C. Their different dresses, D. Both A and B. Answer is both A and B. Number 4. As career, Shiva Prakashan chose to become options: A. A priest, B. A transporter, C. A catering contractor, D. A bank manager. Answer is C. A catering contractor. Paragraph number 2. One day, he invited me to his home for a meal. His wife was horrified at the idea of a Muslim boy being invited to dine in her ritually pure kitchen. She refused to serve me in her kitchen. Shiva Subramanya Iyer was not perturbed, nor did he get angry with his wife, but instead served me with his own hands and sat down beside me to eat his meal. His wife watched us from behind the kitchen door. I wondered whether she had observed any difference in the way I ate rice, drank water, or cleaned the floor after the meal. When I was leaving his house, Siva Subramanya Iyer invited me to join him for dinner again the next weekend. Observing my hesitation, he told me not to get upset, saying, once you decide to change this system, such problems have to be confronted. When I visited his house the next week, Subramanya Iyer's wife took me inside her kitchen and served me food with her own hands. Questions. Number 1. What was the reaction of Mr. Iyer's wife when Abdul went for the meal at his place? Options: A. She was greatly delighted, B. She was greatly disturbed, C. She was struck with horror, D. She became greatly emotional. Answer is C. She was struck with horror. Number 2. What was being observed of him by Mr. Ayer's wife, according to Abdul? Options: A. His way of eating rice, B. His way of drinking water, C. His way of cleaning the floor, D. All of this. Answer is D. All of these three. Next, number 3. Abdul was feeling hesitated when he was invited for dinner again the next weekend because A. He could drive that Mr. Ayer's wife had not liked it. He could derive that Mr. Ayer's wife had not liked it. B. He was not treated well that day. C. Mr. Ayer was not happy upsetting his wife again. D. None of these three. Answer is A. He could derive that Mr. Ayer's wife had not liked it. Number 4. Problems have to be confronted when options: A. We cannot face them, we go against them, C. One decides to change the system, D. One decides to follow the tradition. Answer is C. One decides to change the system. Next, answer the following questions in 4 to 5 sentences each. Number 1. Why did APJ Abdul Kalam call his childhood a secure childhood? Kalam's childhood was a secure one, both materially and emotionally. Illustrate the fact. Answer: APJ Abdul Kalam called his childhood a secure one because he had loving and caring parents. He had all necessary things, which include food, clothes, medicines, etc. Next, number 2. What was the difference in the attitudes of the science teacher and his wife towards APJ Abdul Kalam? Answer: though his science teacher was an Orthodox Hindu, he broke the social barriers and mixed with other religions and communities. He invited Abdul home and served him meal and even sat and ate with him. On the contrary, his wife was conservative and refused to serve Abdul. Next, number 3. How did Abdul Kalam earn his first wage? How did he feel at that time? Answer: during the Second World War, the newspapers were bundled and thrown out of a moving train. He earned his first wage by helping his cousin, who distributed newspaper in Rameshwaram, to catch these bundles. He felt very proud on earning his first wage. Next, number 4. Give brief account of Kalam's family. Find attachment. Here I have attached the answer. Number 4. Give brief account of Kalam's family. Answer: APJ Abdul Kalam tells us that his family was a middle class Tamil family from Rameshwaram. His father Jainul Abdin was not much educated, wasn't rich, but was generous, wise, simple man, but very strict and severe. His mother Ashi Amma was very generous lady and used to feed unlimited numbers of people in their home. Kalam's family respected all religions. They took part in Hindu festivals. His mother and grandfather told him stories from Ramayana. They always showered their love on the children and never forced their thoughts on them. Next question. Number 5. Write in brief about Kalam's childhood friend. Answer: Ramananda Shastri, Aravindan and Shiva Prakashan were Abdul Kalam's school friends. Ramananda Shastri became the high priest of the Rameshwaram temple. Aravinda, a transport businessman, and Shiva Prakashan was the catering contractor of the Southern Railways. Next, number 6. What incident took place at the Rameshwaram Elementary School when a new teacher came to the class? Answer: Number 6. What incident took place at the Rameshwaram Elementary School when a new teacher came to the class? Answer: Kalam used to wear a cap which marked him as a Muslim, and Ramananda Shastri wore a sacred thread which marked him to be a Brahmin. When the new teacher came, he could not tolerate a Hindu priest's son sitting with a Muslim boy. He ordered Kalam to go and sit on the back bench. This made Ramananda sad. Abdul started to sit in the last row, but in left it left a bad impression on Abdul. Both the kids narrated the incident to their parents. As a result, the teacher was rebuked and reprimanded for spreading communalism and hatred among the children. So here we complete the question answers part. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the second part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care.